Do you remember the lemon blueberry cake protein pudding I made a while back? That was delish. Well, today I made a lemon blueberry cake smoothie. It's high protein and delicious. So let me show you how to make it. We're gonna use a cake batter protein shake. All of the shake, whole thing. I'm gonna use half a cup of frozen blueberries, but if you wanna cut the sugar and carbs down even more, just use a 1/4 cup of blueberries and then add just some ice. So instead of using sugar-free lemon pudding mix for the lemon flavoring, we're gonna use half of a sugar-free lemonade water packet in the smoothie. And look, below the max fill line this time, we're getting good. Best part, mixy mix. We're matching. It wasn't on purpose, but you know, make it a party. With some Ready Whip. Ooh, one for good measure, always. Taste test. Woo! If you love the lemon blueberry cake protein pudding, it's a must. Enjoy.